大家好，欢迎来到龙吟卫视特别专辑《龙吟卫视走进联合国》。
Happy Lunar New Year. As we welcome the Year of the Horse, we celebrate a symbol of energy, success, and the courage to forge ahead, qualities our world urgently needs as we confront conflict, inequality, and the climate crisis. This season of renewal reminds us that together we can build a safer, more inclusive future. Let us continue to advance our shared commitment to peace, dignity, and sustainable development for all. May the spirit of the horse bring you health, happiness, and prosperity.